Hello and good morning. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all the students of grade 2? Hope you are all fine and fit at your home. Very good. I'm your maths teacher Miss Gul, and today we will do the work on school workbook. So hurry up, take out your school workbook of math. Today we will do the 2 pages of school workbook. Do page number 8 as classwork and do page number 9 as homework. Write in words. We have already read about the write in words from 1 to 50. Now we will learn how to write the word from 51 to 100. 51, 51. 52. Learn the spelling of 50 and then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 after 50. And at the end of 59 write 60. Then 61, 62, similarly 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and then 70. 71, learn the spelling of 70 and write the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 79, then 80. 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. Learn the spelling of 100. 100. 100. Now take out the page number 8. Write date and day on the top of the page. Today is 21st May 2021. Classwork day is Friday. Write the following numbers in words. 89. Write like this. 89. Second word is 33. 56. 12. 77. 69. 44. 98. 46. 31. 52. 95, 35 and 100. Place value. Place value. The T is for tens and O is for ones. T stand for tens and O stand for ones. If you have a number like 48, so the right side number is always the ones and the left side number is always the tens. So in this 48 number, the 8 is the ones and 4 is the tens. So 48. Take out the page number 9 and ready your page. On the top of the page, write date, homework and the day Friday. Place value. The numbers are given. You have to write the tens and the ones in the boxes. 73. 73. The 7 is the tens and 3 is the ones. You have to write all the place values in the boxes. Write the tens and the ones in the boxes. Very good. flashcards. Now I want to show you the flashcards of additions. 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0. Tell me 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Very good. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Very good. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Well done. 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Very good. Hope you enjoyed the video and do your work very neatly. Take care. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.